Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Janet and today I'll be having a real conversation with you about money. Specifically why you need to start saving and investing in your 20s. Trust me, at the end of this video, you understand how impactful it can be. Now let me tell you a story from my own experience. When I finished university, I had so many dreams and ideas. I was so excited, ready to take the world. No saving, no investments, just me with a whole lot of ideas and frustrations. And that's something I don't want you to go through. That's why I'm sharing this. Look, I know a lot of you watching this are in the same boat. You're in your 20s, maybe just graduated or still in school. And the pressure to keep up with everyone else who seems to have their life figured out on social media. Trust me, I've been there. It's stressful, right? And let's be honest, most of us don't even know where to start from. Before we dive deeper, if you are finding this video helpful so far, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'm all about sharing tips that could help you become a better person in your career. So don't miss out on future videos. So let's break this down. Why save? Saving gives you options. It gives you a safety net, either for emergency, starting a business, or even buying a house. Having that cash stocked up means you're not waiting for a paycheck to live your life. And then there's investing. I know investing can kind of look scary, like something only rich people do, but that's the biggest misconception. Investing is how anyone can build wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money have to grow. Imagine having a financial cushion in your 30s where you're not stressed about every bills. That's the power of investing. Alright, so here's what you do today to start taking control of your finances. Start with a saving account, get into the habit of budgeting, and start investing. I hope this video gave you a clarity on why saving and investing in your 20s is very important. It might feel like a small step now, but in a few years, you'll be glad you started. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more content like this. Share your thoughts in the comment below. I would like to know where you are at in your financial journey. And let's support each other through this. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting. See you next time. Bye.